We had water coming in, groundwater coming into our crawl space, and that was causing not only rust in the electrical down there, it was causing mold. And if we were going to live here, we had to take care of it. Chuck went down and did a diagram of the house, and there's a couple areas that are inaccessible. And basically he went through and told me exactly what was going to have to be done, and then we worked together on trying to get something that I could afford. Very thorough. Kiko, he came right down. It's the first thing he did into the crawl space. I went with him, and kind of pointing out what's had to be going. The guy knows everything, man. He is smart and friendly, and it went from a complete scary mud hole to the Taj Mahal. I could probably sleep and eat down there now. I didn't even want to go down there before. I mean, I really didn't want to go down there. Now, it's beautiful. It's bright, it's dry, it's clean. I'm not worried about my electrical shorting out again and stuff. They just did an amazing job. I can't believe the difference. I've seen pictures of before and after pictures. They don't do it justice. This is fantastic. I mean, my wife even went down there, and she swore she would never go down there. And she went down there and I go, oh my God, this is great. Before I would give them a check for the job, I went through the basement, looked at everything, and I said, you're not getting this check until we get in the boat and go for a tour of the lake. Because they did such a fantastic job that I figured, they deserved it, man. They really did. Yeah, I've never had such a good experience in my life. It's a lot of money, but well worth it. Well worth the money. The difference is stunning. I would recommend it to anybody around here because I've never had an experience this good.